Isn't there a saying about when the creek goes dry? I know there's one about if the creeks don't rise, but I don't know about the creek going dry. Guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be reflective. It's going to be like a vlog, musings, post, thought process, kind of just getting to the heart of July and feeling hot, tired, and reflective. So even though I'm not going to talk a lot about gardening in this video, the garden is a great metaphor for so many things in your life. And my garden is also hot, tired, and getting to that slump in July. But I'm just kind of thinking maybe it's time to step back just a little bit from gardening, just a little bit from content creating, take a little break. Not a long break, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Maybe just kind of let the garden chill on its own. Just a few weeks ago, this entire area was flooded and so damp and gross. Now it is completely dry. Feel sorry for the beavers because I'm sure they're missing the water. But so when I'm out there gardening, I'm not doing it to create content. I'm doing it because I have to do it. I need to do it. And the content is just like a byproduct. A sharing, a recording, documentation. This is another very, very invasive plant in Virginia, stilt grass. It is horrible. It will take over whole forest floors if you let it, and nothing else will grow. So it's kind of sad. And there's an example right there. Oh, and there's a deer. I don't even think the deer like to eat the invasive weeds, which is a problem. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you don't like the weeds either. I totally understand. Right, Tonto? But both require a lot of work, a lot of time. Both the work of doing the gardening things and then trying to document that and record it in a very succinct, fluid way that people might want to watch, or even myself. Editing is not fun. And sometimes I get bored with my own videos. So I'm thinking, why not just take a little break? I will still have a few videos to post, kind of spread them out. I've got a million shorts. I cannot walk out the door without finding something really cool to record as a short. Especially bees. Love those bees. Since I have like really been busting my butt the last few months, especially in the front yard, I've had so much content. Just long videos too. Some of them are just super long. I don't even know if I would watch them. Thank you if you do, because that takes a lot of dedication and patience. So you guys probably won't even notice I have kind of taken a little bit of a break because of all of those shorts and or the videos I've spaced out. But I do appreciate all of you guys, and I'll be making more content soon, especially because it's almost time to do all the fall stuff. And I've barely finished summer plantings, spring. Yeah, so time with family is so important, and I just want to take a few weeks with, you know, the kids that are still at home, spend time with them, do a few things, maybe go to some state parks. Love to hike, haven't been hiking like I used to, and just kind of chill like the garden, except the garden's probably gonna hate me. The garden will be a horrendous beast if I do kind of step back for a few weeks. So maybe do a few little maintenance things. Definitely, of course, I have to water. But everybody should be fed really well and shouldn't need a lot of weeding or trimming. I hope. I just really have peace when I'm in the woods, and I think that's why I love hiking so much. It's really not the best time of the year either to be hiking up and down mountains, but I want to get a couple hikes in, especially maybe a waterfall hike. There's one we used to do in July, and you could actually swim, and it's real dog friendly, except sometimes you see a lot of bears. But you know, sometimes I have bears in my woods too. So the short and sweet of this video is that you may see just a wee bit less content for a bit, and then hopefully it's a little bit of a reset so that I'm not bombarding you guys with so much content, because the work has went down. I have completed a lot of things I wanted to get done, so I don't really need to be documenting that or recording or making videos on it because it's done. And I say that and I know I'll have a billion things to do, but kind of chill just a wee bit, take a more relaxed hand with the garden, and see how things go. Glad you're here. Hope you'll come back, and I'll see you soon. Bye.